See a helicopter, 911, Flight 93, check and post in 5, trying to call me Mountain. You want to know when else your family's lifeline won't be allowed to work? Just one. Flight 93, check, call, and a dozen years of asking you to check your lifelines. No mail. No FedEx, no UPS. About my 93 checks or any of my imagery. So make that video, time, date, number dialed, and make sure when someone asks you if you want a FBI Excel, try to call me with all those numbers on it. Why are you in the way of our lifelines working when else will our lifelines not be allowed to work in person or via speakerphone in front of all FBI agents? That's their job. Tell them you want your salary back. They're not doing the job with easily documented hijacked lifelines. They're worried enough about the crimes to alter phone records to cover them up. Doesn't do them much good when you got it on video. Get it on video and post. You can't reach them, you can't treat them. Tell that to those FBI folks and ask why they are promoting a pandemic. Are they placing Trump in office again? With that,